Adarsh is now 30 years old. My working here as an administrator has honestly changed me as a person. We want our students to create their imagination and explore their ideas.
The very name of the school is Adarsh, means ideal, starting with the letter A. And A letter stands for excellence, for A1 for everything. When I started the institute, I was thinking that the students who will be studying here will not only be a good citizens, they will be ideal citizens.
Every kid has the potential to do something special and different. We believe in building self-confidence in the students through activities, events and drills.
Activities have always been a very important part of our school. We are known for the activities which we do. They not only include classroom or indoors, but the more concentration is towards the outdoors.
I want that all our kids, they should stand on their own feet. They should earn. They should be good citizens. They should be ideal citizens of the India. Not only this, I want that they should have full respect for the parents, for the society. Wheresoever they go, they represent the school, the ideal, the Adarsh. And these Adarsh, when I started taking into my mind, I am giving them.
My school has given wings to my dreams. Since nursery, I have been studying in this school. I feel this environment is making me ready for the future engagement. I find myself a better problem solver, decision maker and a confident personality.
School buildings and facilities are just perfect. Our school, by the passage of time, has gained a new look of world-class school, and every room of APS opens a new door of learning and exploring.
Punctuality and discipline have been always our core areas. We teach our students to be regular, be respectful, and honest towards whatever they do in their lives.
Punctuality is the thing which I have learned after coming in this school. I came in this school last year. Now I'm in 8th class. I have seen unique things here, and that is disciplinary committee of students. Students can share their problems with management and we have right to speak. It gives us perfect greens for perfect democratic environment. When I see cabinet member is handling small and big school related issues, I really feel proud to be an Adarsh.
We have all the labs here. You talk about physics, chemistry, maths, computer, everything.
The teachers are very cooperative. I can go to them anytime with my problems.
Various games, activities and quizzes are organized time to time in our school, and I love the sports.
We provide all the latest techniques to our students so that they understand each and every concept better.
I came in this school last year and I am in 8th class now. I really love the concept of student cabinet member here.
Till now, I have produced hundreds and hundreds of students, and they all are well educated, well disciplined, well stood, and now their own kids are coming to this school. This is really a matter of great pride for me that in the coming years we are going to give much more better education to the students. Taking into this mind, we have already started one more school, Montfort World School.
Our aim is to produce good citizens for our country.